Wait, that's the one. I'm ahead of you. Oh my God. Well, it's gonna be close. Oh my God, I did it! I did it!
Hey, let's get it. Which side are you gonna hit it on? Forget about that trick.
Hold up. We gotta get it going. So, we got a new trick competition for y'all. Post your tricks in the Discord. Nothing more than 15 seconds. 15 seconds or less is perfect. And yeah, you'll be fine. We're gonna rate y'all's things on 1 to 10. We got a couple posts already. Just post your videos and let's get it going.
Yep, so we're gonna react. Everybody's gonna get a call out.
Yeah, everybody's gonna get their name called out who posts it.
And then the winner, top trick, is gonna be posted.
Yeah, winner is gonna be posted as a short on our YouTube channel, reacting to it. And depending on the trick, I might try it out. So
Ooh, I like that.
yeah. Gotta add that in. I bet.
Questions?
Yeah, any questions in chat, comments? Any questions? Let me know.
Hey, we're actually streaming on Twitch and YouTube.
Twitch and YouTube today, guys. So, hey, make sure y'all follow on Twitch, Brilla Snaps. And let's get some Fortnite in, right? You ready? All right. I'm gonna touch the game. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm out of here.